Come back to online classes. Today we are going to revise first chapter of Geography, India, Size and Location, which is your pre-midterm portion. Now, about location, when we talk about India is a vast country lying entirely in the northern hemisphere. The mainland extends between latitudes 8 degree 4 minute north and 37 degree 6 minute north and longitude 68 degree 7 minute east and 97 degree 25 minute east. The Tropic of Cancer 23 degree 30 minute north divides country into almost two equal parts. To the south, east and southwest of the mainland lie the Andaman and Nicobar Island and the Lakshadweep Island in Bay of Bengal and Arabian Sea respectively. The landmass of India, it is having an area of 3.28 million square kilometer. India's total area account for about 2.4% of the total geographical area of the world. India is seventh largest country of the world. Then India's land boundary is about 15,200 km and the total length of a coastline of the mainland including Andaman and Nicobar and Lakshadweep is 7,560.6 km. Then we talk about the India is bounded by the Young Fold Mountain in the northwest, north and northeast. Then again, south of about 22 degree north latitude, it begins to taper and extends towards the Indian Ocean during it into two seas, the Arabian Sea on the west and the Bay of Bengal on its east. Then from Gujarat to Arunachal Pradesh there is a time lag of 2 hours. Hence, time along the standard meridian of India 82 degree 30 minute east which is passing through Mirzapur in Uttar Pradesh is taken as the standard time for the whole country. Then India and the world. The Indian landmass has a central location between the East and West Asia. India is a southward extension of the Asian continent. The Trans-Indian Ocean routes which connect the countries of Europe in the west and countries of East Asia provide a strategic central location to India. The Deccan Peninsula protrudes into the Indian Ocean, thus helping India to establish close contact with West Asia, Africa and Europe from the western coast and with the Southeast and East Asia from the eastern coast. No other country has a long coastline on the Indian Ocean as India has, and indeed it is India's eminent position in the Indian Ocean which justifies the naming of an ocean after it. So, let us see the 7 largest countries of the world: Russia, Canada, USA, China, Brazil, Australia, India. So, India is the 7th largest country in the world. Now, let us see India's neighbors. India occupies an important strategic position in South Asia. India has 28 states and 9 union territories. India shares its land boundaries with Pakistan and Afghanistan in the northwest, China, Nepal and Bhutan in the north, and Myanmar and Bangladesh in the east. Our southern neighbors across the sea consist of the two islands countries which is Maldives and Sri Lanka. Sri Lanka is separated from India by a narrow channel of sea formed by the Pak Strait and the Gulf of Mannar, while Maldive Islands are situated to the south of the Lakshadweep Island. India has had strong geographical and historical links with her neighbors. Now let us see the exercise. The Tropic of Cancer does not pass through Rajasthan, Chhattisgarh, Orissa, Tripura. The correct answer is Odisha. The Tropic of Cancer does not passes through Odisha. The easternmost longitude of India is the 97 degree 25 minute east, 77 degree 6 minute east, 68 degree 7 minute east, 82 degree 32 minute east. The correct answer is 97 degree 25 minute east. Uttarakhand, Uttar Pradesh, Bihar, West Bengal and Sikkim have common frontiers with. Options are China, Nepal, Bhutan, Myanmar. The correct answer here is Nepal. If you intend to visit Kavarati during your summer vacations, which one of the following union territories of India you will be going to? Puducherry, Andaman and Nicobar, Lakshadweep, Daman and Diu. The correct answer is Lakshadweep. My friends hail from a country which does not share land boundary with India. Identify the country. Bhutan, Bangladesh, Tajikistan, Nepal. The correct answer is Tajikistan.